come to our attention, when you get a tent, brand new, you'll be clasped down, and how do you open it? A lot of times you don't have this USB hookup. This is what's standard. I just use a jumper cable like this to a standard battery. You can go all the way to your car if you want. But these right here are the manual overrides. These switches here are controlled by a limit switch up and down. These are not. But if you want to raise the roof, the positive will tell you the direction. So touch this negative, positive. Now, I've had customers take these all the way up and bend the bars because they go past the limit switch. You only want to get it up enough so you can get your stuff out. I mean, you can take it up quite a ways. When that rain fly starts popping out, I stop just to be safe. And go down, it's positive, negatives on the up, positive shows your direction. I'll let you get inside because we include US or Anderson plug in there to get your ladder out, things like that. The ladder has a little aluminum cup that you can bolt here with 3 bolts. Whatever end, side, whatever end you want to do it. The ladder has a lip that hooks into this to give you support to getting in and out. We also have the aluminum extendable ladders, the collapsible ones. Some people prefer those over the ones that come from South Africa. Down. They did add an inline fuse for protection for your winch inside. They had a little diode inside this box that holds your USB port and your 12-volt outlet. All the electronics are back here in the box on the inside. But it was kind of hard to get to, hard to replace, so this makes it much easier. Just an inline fuse, goes in there and turns. Done deal.